Hello. Today we will discuss about the wire transmission media used to connect the devices in the network. So these are wide medias are optical fiber and the serial cables. The optical fiber are single optical fiber, multi-mode optical fiber, graded index optical fiber, and the step index optical fiber. So whereas the serial cable RS-232 and USB cables. So let's discuss about these in detail. The first is optical fiber cable. Optical fiber is a cylindrical non-conducting waveguide that transmits the light along its axis. So it means optical fiber are used to transmit the signal in the form of lights. So it consists of core and cladding layer, and refractive index of core is greater than the cladding. The refractive index of core is greater than cladding. So it transfers the light signal to a longer distance. It follows the principle of total internal reflection to transmit the light through glass medium. There are two types of optical fiber: this single mode optical fiber and this multi-mode optical fiber. So the single mode optical fiber, this fiber has a small diameter of core and only one mode of light will travel through it, whereas multi-mode, this fiber can support multiple light rays to travel through it. In single mode, it is used in long distance communication with high bandwidth links, whereas the diameter of core and cladding in multimode is 50 to 125 and 62.5 to 125 microns. The diameter of core in single mode fiber is 9 micron and cladding is 125 micron. So the multimode fiber, these fiber contain large side of core as compared to single mode optical fiber. In single mode optical fiber, launching of light in the fiber is difficult, whereas in multimode optical fiber, the launching of light is in the fiber is easy as it contains large core size. So it is further of two types. Multimode fiber is further of two types. So this is the diagram of single mode optical fiber and the multi-mode optical fiber. In single mode optical fiber, only one light ray is traveling as its core size is small, whereas in multi-mode fiber, multiple numbers of light rays are traveling, and because it have a large core size. The next is step index fiber and the graded index optical fiber, the type of multi-mode fibers. So in step index fiber, the refractive index of the core is uniform, and it at the interface of core and cladding, the refractive index change abruptly. So in graded index fiber, the refractive index of core is non-uniform, that the refractive index decreases gradually from the axis of fiber to its surface. So the size of core is large, so it can support multiple modes, or it is used in short distance communication. Whereas light ray propagate in the form of skew rays or helical rays, this fiber reduces the modal dispersion. In step index fiber, the diameter of core and cladding is 200 to 380 micron, whereas in graded index optical fiber, it is used for long distance transmission of signals. This is the diagram of multimode step index fiber and the graded index multimode fiber. In step index fiber, the light rays are traveling at different time, reaching at destination at different time, whereas in graded index they are reaching the destination at the same time. So then is optical connector, the connector used in the optical fibers. So first is SC connector. SC stands for subscriber connector or the standard connector. So it has the 2.5 mm zircon ceramic ferrule and a push-pull latching mechanism, which is similar to common audio and video cables. So it is used for a fast and reliable connection in the telecommunication network. Two fiber cables and two SC connectors are used for bidirectional transmission, which is known as dual SC. The SC connectors are available in standard colors as blue for single mode, green for single mode fiber, and the beige for the multi-mode fibers. Example of the SC connectors is CATV, cable television, and the fiber to the home, LAN, MAN, and WAN network. It is used in LAN network, MAN network, and the WAN networks. This is the diagram of SC connector. Next is ST connector. ST stands for straight tip connector. This connector has a bayonet mount and a long cylindrical 2.5 mm ceramic or polymer ferrule that holds the fiber. So most fuels are ceramic, but some are metallic or plastic. So it is most popular connector for multi-mode fiber. It is used for multi-mode. So usage of this connector declines from recent year because it cannot be used in single mode fiber and FTTH application, as fiber is terminated with an angle polish in this connector. This is the diagram of ST connector. Next is LC connector. LC stands for Lucent's connector, and it is a miniature version of the fiber optic SC connector. It is similar as SC, but there is a size difference. LC connector has a size 1.25 mm friole, whereas SC connector is of 2.5 mm. So it gives the replacement of the SC connector in market with the LC is more costly than the SC. So it is used in networking and FTTH, fiber to the home applications. This is the diagram of LC connector. Next is MTRG connector. MTRG stands for Mechanical Transfer Register Jack. So MTRG is a fiber optic cable connector in which two fibers are plugged and combined together with locating pin on the plug. So the MTRG looks similar to a RJ45 connector. It is used for networking applications such as Ethernet network. So its size is small as compared to the SC connector. The MTRG connector is of low cost and have a small size. So this is the example of MTRG connector. It is used to combine the two fiber optic cables. Next is serial cables. What are serial cables? Serials means the bits are sent one by one through cables or fiber, and it is interrupted by the network card at the other end, or it is received by the network card at the destination. So it's use serial communication protocol to transfer the data between two devices. Type of serial cables are RS-232 and USB cable. So first is RS-232. RS-232 is a standard for serial communication of data in the network. This cable connects the DTE, data terminal equipment such as computer, and DCE, data communication equipment such as modem. So they are used to connect DTE and DCE together. So RS-232 standard defines the electrical characteristic, timing of signals, the meaning of signals, and the physical size and the pinout of the connector. So it has low transmission speed, large voltage swings, and large standard connectors. This is the diagram of RS-232 cable. Next is USB cable. USB stands for Universal Serial Bus. So it is an industrial standard that defines the communication protocols. It is used for communication and power supply between the computer and electronic devices. RS-232 cables are replaced by USB in many devices. USB cables are available in many versions according to their use. So this cable has a fast transmission speed and use low power supplies. So this is the diagram of USB cables. So this is all about wire transmission media. So thank you.